That we all are gathered here on 21st June, and as we all know that this is the occasion where we celebrate World International Yoga Day. And first of all, when we see yoga word and when we listen yoga from anywhere, so many things comes in our mind, like what is yoga. So first of all, I want to clear that yoga is a process where it connects our body to our mind, like it connects to our body to our soul, through which we perform so many things, like we clear all of the doubts which occur in our daily life. And as we all know that yoga word is comes from Sanskrit, and it means yuj, which means unite, or unite and add. So it add our body to our mind and connects well properly. And by the way, yoga is a process and is a method through which most of the pupils correct their postures and improves their daily activity. Like if we want to start a good beginning in our day, so we start like doing yoga in every morning. And yoga is basically very necessary to old age pupils, like they do not perform any types of bigger activities. That's why they used to do yoga in morning, and it is very helpful and beneficial for those people who are not unable to join any types of exercise and any types of gym workouts. So I think it is very helpful for those who are not eligible to doing these types of activities. And yoga is like a exercise, which is yoga is comprised of so many asanas, which is also known as exercise by today's pupils. As far as I concerned, yoga is very beneficial to all of the pupils. Doing yoga means doing a great job for making a day bright. And I think in every morning, every pupil wants to do yoga for having a great day.
Now today 21 June, this day all of people celebrate yoga. And you now in yoga and made international day by Indian. And we can say yoga is a medicine help and save of all health problem. Yoga help, various type of yoga help remove distraction like smoking and drinking. And yoga help increase your focus and concentration on your goals. And yoga is build energy and help to active whole day. And we can. I want to speak in Hindi 1% about yoga. Karo yoga, Rahul Niro. Thank you. If you do a daily yoga, so you can clear your mind and then keep your body healthy. And always yoga always help you away from doctors. Thank you.
Yes. Wishing all of you very happy Yoga International Day. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that is mentioned of our Hindu scriptures. And Maharishi Patanjali is known as father of yoga. Yoga is celebrated 21st June of every year, and the first time was celebrated yoga is 21st June in 2015. It was started our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. We should keep on doing yoga at every day minimum 10 to 20 minutes. Bring a lot of change of our body and in our life. Benefits of yoga: improve our mood, help our mood relax, mind relax, improve our flexibility, and improve our good sleep, and help build strength and balance of our body.
Good morning everyone. We are gathered here to speak about a beautiful international day, which is Yoga International Day today on 21 June. And I want to share my personal experience to you. I do meditation every day, and it connects me to my soul. Whenever I focus on my breath, I feel a lot of energy in my body, and I think I totally out of this world, and my body totally become become energetic, and I feel and I spend my day with a lot of energy. And but I always suggest to do yoga every day so that you could keep remain fit forever, and your body need not to to any doctor or such kind of person so who can deceive you by by taking medical treatments. So I think I will suggest you to everyone to do yoga every day so that your body should keep remain fit. And thank you.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, happy International Yoga Day to all of you. I want to speak about Yoga International Day. Yoga is very important in our life. That makes our life fit. That makes our body fit and healthy. It transfers our body physically and mentally fit. We can fit our body during yoga, and by doing yoga we can remove our hesitation, and we can quiet our mind and body. By doing yoga we can make our day a good we can make a good day. By yoga we can make our day a good, because yoga is very important in our life. Our ancestors because our ancestors yoga is a wonderful gift for our life that gives by our ancestors and to the new generation. Nowadays, every people celebrates yoga day every day. So I want to say that everybody should do yoga on every day. Thank you for listening.
Hello, this is Neeraj Chaudhary. First of all of you wish you happy International Day. Today is International Yoga Day, and today is 21 June. And our India and whole the world celebrating International Yoga Day. And yoga is started by PM Narendra Modi ji. Yoga is proposed by Mr. Narendra Modi ji in 2014. In my opinion, there are many benefits of yoga. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility. And yoga is helpful for those people who have heart problem. And yoga is also benefit for those people who have low blood pressure, because when we do yoga, then it is helping lowers blood pressure. And yoga is helps in keeping our mental and health intact, and it is also connected to the nature. And when we do yoga we feel relaxed and better, and it is helping better sleep. Yoga is help us to keep fit and healthy. And many types of yoga doing people like as Vajrasana. But when we take a meal, then after that we do Vajrasana, and it is a help to digest our food. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello everyone. First of all, I wish you all of you happy International Yoga Day. Today, I would speak about International Yoga Day, and I was celebrate International Yoga Day on 21 June. First time our Prime Minister Modi celebrate Yoga Day on 21 June 2015. Yoga is a very important our life. Every people do yoga, so he is very fit and fine. Today, we can say that yoga is celebrated in other country, and also all the people and aware about the yoga benefits. And do yoga the healthy and our it is a very important in our life. Also student like the who students do yoga, so he is fresh our mind, and it also important in the many pupils in the who is a pupil and many diseases, so improve on our health. So thank you.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to speak about International Yoga Day. And as you all know, International Yoga Day is celebrated at 21st June 2023. And this day started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in 2015. And as you know that many people at today time are stressed about their jobs and their careers, and so they did yoga, and they find the solution of their stresses. And as you know, I told my real experience of today. I went to Gandhi Park, and I see that Chaudhary Lakshmi Narayan has came there. As you all know, that he is a famous politician in Kosikala, and he spoke there that yoga is important for our life, and I am able to do two kinds of yogas. The first name of yoga is Bhujangasana, and second is Dhanurasana. And I will tell you about these two yogas. First Bhujangasana is the yoga that help you to flex your body completely. And second, Dhanurasana, it is the yoga that fits your body, and it help you like doing exercise. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yogeshri. Today is International Yoga Day. It on 21 June. The Mr. Narendra Modi celebrated first time in India. Yoga is very harmful. Yoga is very helpful for our body. If we do yoga in morning, approx 30 minutes, it will make you healthy and fit your body, and you will not feel lazy in the day, and your body will become very good. And yoga is very good activity, and many people do activities, and I also do activity at home in morning approx 20 minutes, and it make my body fit. And I told to you that you have to do yoga in morning. In my school I see the many people do yoga in the ground, and many types of yoga, and they also do types of yoga, and I see them and learn types of yoga. Thank you.
As we all know, today is 21st of June, and it is the day on which we celebrate the International Yoga Day. Not us, all over the world celebrate the International Yoga Day. The yoga word comes from the Sanskrit word used, and it means you are washing your body and getting into a putting your body into a definite shape. Everyone in the world wants to get a good body posture and a good health. With the help of yoga, you can get a good body posture and be fit in your life. Someone said that the prevention is better than cure. In our life, as we see, prevention, yoga is like as prevention. Because of yoga, we can prevent so many diseases like high blood pressure, BP problems, problems due to blood circulation, problems of heart attacks, and so many diseases we can prevent because of yoga. And in our daily life, we do in our world, we see the world is the world is getting more competitive, and in that world the people get more stressful and facing the problem of anxiety. And to relieve these type of problems, we can do yoga and do meditations, by which we can control our emotions and help ourselves to achieve our goals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharat. Today I will share a message on yoga because today's yoga day. It is for our Indian as well as whole world. Yoga teaches how to know learn your body. Yoga word is derived from a Sanskrit word yoj, which means to join and combine our body. How to manage it? yoga. We can do yoga every day. Then we take our body in a proper manner, and also a good posture and a good health. We can do yoga. We will fit our body and health. Without, if you cannot take a medicine, if you can do everyday yoga, then you prevent you will make keep fit without take medicine, because today our Ramdev Baba started a yoga for a cancer patient. If you can daily yoga without taking a medicine, then you can release a cancer from yoga. Thank you.
It is 21st June 2023. It is International Yoga Day, which is it means yoga. We do yoga for making our body fitter. So many students and children in height is not increasing because they always operating mobile and never do yoga. And in morning, most of the cities boys never do yoga and exercises. Their height is not increasing and their body is not fit. They always eat junk foods and never doing any hard work for making their body fit. In villages, boys always do hard work and yoga exercises to make their body fit. And so many differences between citizens and villagers and bodies. And yoga make our body fit, yoga make our mind fit. And so many pupils, old ages people do yoga for their making body fit. So and our youngsters also doing yoga because of their making body fit. Instead of going to gym, we can also do yoga at our home, also saving money and better than gym. Yoga makes our body fit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahvendra Rawat. Today 21 June celebrated. We are celebrated International Yoga Day. This day is very celebrated in Indian people. These are celebrated possible in Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi 2014. These days celebrated in suggestions 2015 Yoga Day brand of lost of change your life. I suggestion you to 4 hour doing yoga. Thanks.
Good morning, my respected teacher and all my friends. And today I am going to speak something about yoga. First of all, I want to say you that it starts from 2014 when our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi are visiting to America in United Nations General Assembly. Then they said that we should do yoga every day because it helps to do for our health fit. And we should always keep in our mind that we are facing a lot of problems in a few days, and in the and also a new thing is that we will also face a new problems in future, because now you also see listen that there is a silent heart attack and a lot of diseases you listen about from everyone. Then you should we must do yoga because of the youngsters of our country also facing problems like stress, and they are like fickle mind before by facing sometimes of difficulty. So I think we should yoga because it make you differ from them, and it make you stress free and fickle mind free also. If you will do it, and also you should know about that the yoga is originated from the Indus Valley civilization, in like 100 years, sorry, 1000 years ago, and it is focused in other countries like China, Japan, and a lot of countries. So we should yoga every day. I will suggest you that we should daily yoga do. Thank you.
First of all, today is 21 June. It is we are celebrated the Yoga Day. It is very ancient activity. It is very useful our health. When we doing the yoga, we feels a lot of energy in our body, and it is relative to my fitness health, and is help my mind and soul. It is this day is come in India in 2014.
जोर से बोलो भाई.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank you to give me such opportunities to speak about International Yoga Day. First, I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day. It was celebrated on 21st June every year. Yoga is very important for our healthy body and mind. After which Yoga Day started being celebrated all over the India, and it went into International Yoga. The aim of celebrating of this day to improve awareness of importance of yoga. Yoga improves our skills and strength and flexibility, and yoga is a very beautiful physical, mental and spiritual that is initiated in India. People all over the India are moving towards practicing yoga. Is very important for our life, so we should yoga every day so that we keep our body healthy and mind.
करो.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Chaudhary. I want to speak about Yoga Day. First of all, I wish you all happy International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated on every year on 21st June. Its aim to aware pupils of yoga and inspire them to practice it regularly. In India, the first yoga day is celebrated on Rajpath in New Delhi. Yoga is not only keep us physical healthy and but also keep us
mentally fit
and calm. Mentally fit and calm. Thank you for listening to me.
My name is Vikas Vejwar. International Yoga Day is observed worldwide on 25 June 2014. It started in PM Narendra Modi during his speech at Nation. Yoga is best exercise, and Baba Ramdev is famous for yoga, and he is famous teaching for yoga. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Himani, and first of all, thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Today is 21st June, and today is Yoga International Day, and it is a very biggest day in our Indian culture and our Indian religion. And Patanjali is known as modern yoga at today's time, and yoga is a very helpful and is too good for our fit and healthy life, and it doesn't require any money. It's only a exercise, you know, and thank you.
Yes.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Bhajan Rawat. I want to speak International Yoga Day. Every celebrities do yoga, and every Indian people do yoga, and I humble request to every student daily yoga and do daily yoga, and yoga. It is very important in our body and physical fit, and yoga give energy and give many things, and father of yoga is Baba Ramdev, and said that is every Indian people is daily do a yoga. It is very important. And why is celebrate yoga day? Today is biggest day, 21st June, and sun open in the sky and come to rays and good rays, and my body is very fit, and thank you for this.
Today, 21st June, today is International Yoga Day. The whole world celebrated International Yoga Day. Every person wants to attend, and today one day and another day, and big day and wants big day today, and 21st day 14 hours and night 10 hours, and another day 10 hours day and 10 hours night, and 4 hours more, and one message get today. You are daily practice, and you are get a success, and thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Geeta Karwar in front of you. I speak International Yoga Day. Yoga Day is all India pupils celebrate Yoga Day is 21st June celebrate. My opinion, Yoga Day every day. All people do everyday yoga. It keep us yoga fit and healthy. I do yoga is my remove hesitation, and my opinion, you do